So hi guys, so in this one we will try our first program. So again we have already seen how to create a new project. Again click on this, create a new project. Now I think you must be familiar about this three options. We have to choose Kotlin, Java, click on next, give your project a name whatever you wish. I'm giving uh, a demo app, finish, it's loading. Now you can see in the very left hand side it's a demo app. It has created this .id. It contains pretty much libraries, XML file, modules. We will discuss about these in the later chapters. As of now, focus on this src file. So this is a source folder. It contains all the source files in it. So right click on it, choose Kotlin file, Kotlin file, give demo app as a name, click OK. So you can see over here the extension is .kt. So kt stands for Kotlin. So if you are familiar with other languages like Java, they have the extension .java or C++ as .cpp or C as .c. So Kotlin has a suffix of .kt with its file name. You can see the code snippet over here. This is created by me on this date. So it has been, this particular snippet is provided in this slash. So what is this slash? We'll see that later. It's a comment which doesn't take part in the execution of a program. It is simply for directing the programmer what the particular module or what the particular function is doing. So it really is meant for giving the direction or giving the usage of that particular function, so that if the programmer left or the new programmer is working on the same code, he would get to know that what exactly this function is doing. So comments are really valuable, and every programmer should be adhesive in writing the comment in each and every part of the code, so that for himself, if he revisits or maybe redoing or changing or maybe enhancing some part of the code after a few months, he would not be able to remember all that stuff which he has written, I think 6 months or 1 year back. So the comments, if you write a comment, valuable comment, precisely and clear comment, it will make it will make everything clear. So just I will show you later how to write the code. So as of now we are going to write our first program. So simply write fun. The execution of a program starts from main. We have already discussed this in the last to last chapter. So here you can see that, simply follow me, write args, it's a type of arguments, then array, and inside the angle bracket write string. Now the braces, write print parenthesis and this string. Hey, Kotlin has arrived. Okay, just right click over there and click on run demo app kt. So this is the first time which we are running a code, so it will take some time only for the first time. After that the process will be pretty much quicker. So till then we can see that we have written fun. This is fun, that stands for function. It is a prefix, it is a keyword which is used in the Kotlin. This is main. This is main, from where the execution of a program starts. Inside the parenthesis we are passing the arguments. It is of type array, and again inside the angle bracket we are writing string. We will discuss all about this in the later chapters. Now, after writing this function syntax like this, we write curly braces, one open curly brace, then one closed braces for the same, and inside that it contains, this curly braces contains all the body of a program. So what is the program? Program is just like an algorithm. It is a sequential list of instructions which is used to get the desired output. Now suppose you have an algebraic expression in which you have to calculate something, or if you have some binomial theorem, or if you have some integral calculus equation or some problem. So what you do, you follow some steps to reach the desired output. So those sequential list of instructions is called as program, and you have to write down all the sequential list of instructions inside these curly braces. We will see this in detail in our later chapters. As of now, just focus on this. Inside the curly braces, here we are not writing any, we are writing only one instruction to print this stuff. Hey, Kotlin has arrived. This is the string which we want to just print on the console. Print is a keyword which we have already discussed, is used to print something on the console. So when you run this code, you will get this output. You can see at the bottom, hey, Kotlin has arrived. You can see this output. This is the same output which we have mentioned over here. This part, this highlighted part, hey, Kotlin has arrived. So you can use print. So you can use more than one print statement. Again, you can write print like I will replace Java. Now again, click on this green button for running the code. It will recompile the stuff and run the code, rerun the code. So you can see over here, now the output is hey, Kotlin has arrived. And after that, the next part, I will replace Java, is written over there, is printed over there on the very same line. And we have mentioned over here, I will print replace Java. I will replace Java. So now, I already said in the last chapter when we had discussed about running the main method, main function online. So if you replace this print statement with the print ln, as ln stands for line, the next line or the new line. Okay, so if you replace this print with ln, now you can see the output over here. This line will be printed on the very next line, not on the same line. So you can see it's taking still time. I think it's pretty much amazing. Something is bizarre over there. So let's wait. Yeah. So you can see over there, when you replace the print with the print ln, it's printing hey, Kotlin has arrived on this line. Okay, and then the cursor will move on to the very next line. And again we are writing I will replace Java, and now it's printing, it has already printed on the console, I will replace Java on the very next line. So you can see it is pretty much easier to write on the console, so you can play with this. So this is only the string I will replace Java, hey, Kotlin has arrived. These are the types of string. If you want to print numbers or integers you can write over there. Just write print ln, simply 10, again print ln 32.5. okay, and now run the code. It will again recompile the code, and you can see now the integer has already been printed on the console together with the float number 32.5, which we have mentioned in the body of the main println 10. As we have mentioned println, that means the cursor will move on to the next line and again print the 32.5, which is of type float, onto the very next line. So you can play with this, all the print statement, try to print various combination of strings, numbers, integers, double, whatever thing. And you can see over here in the very left panel, when you run the code, it will make some executable files inside this out folder. This out folder was not initially when we created this project, but after the compilation, this has been created, and it has created demo app kt.class. You can see the name of the project is demo app, and we have mentioned our file name as demo app dot only demo app dot kt is an extension which has already been provided by the Kotlin. So you can see whenever the class name is created, this file name will be suffixed by kt. So here the file name is demo app. So if you add a suffix kt, it will become demo app kt. So you can see over here demo app kt, then dot class extension. So as of now, this we have discussed about the first execution of our program. Just play with this and be comfortable with this. See you in the next chapter. Thanks.